अस्सलाम वालेकुम। इस वीडियो में मैं आपसे बीएड कोर्स कोड 8616 क्विज़ क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करूंगी। आपने वीडियो को फुल वॉच करना है। वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत इन्फॉर्मेटिव है, आपके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल होगी क्विज़ करते वक्त, और आपने वीडियो को फुल वॉच करना है। इन क्वेश्चन आंसर को अपने माइंड में रखना है। इंशाल्लाह आपका क्विज़ भी बहुत अच्छा होगा। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज सुपरविजन शुड बी प्राइमरली करेक्ट ऑप्शन सी कंस्ट्रक्टिव एंड क्रिएटिव। Educational Dash is an expert technical service primarily concerned with studying and improving the conditions that surround learning and pupil growth. Correct option D. Organization. In POSD, CORB, CO stand for correct option A. Coordinating. A supervisor is one who, correct option A, provide direction. Respect of opinion is the feature of, correct option B, democratic administration. Main source of information which help identify a teacher. Competency include, correct option D, all of them. Dash refers to maintaining effective links with government and departments and authorities and ensure that the relevant offices are informed of the contacts. Correct option B, external relations. A process whereby a person gets self-feedback on what he/she bring to interaction and how this may impact on how he/she view and manage that interaction is called. Correct option A, evaluation. Who advocate bureaucratic theory? Correct option C, Max Weber. It is the means to coordinate, stimulate, and direct the growth of teachers, people growth through exercises talents toward the achievement of the richest goal. This statement define. Correct option C. Educational leadership. Major responsibility of head teacher is to provide. Correct option C. Maintain school record. Execution of plan and decision is a part of. Correct option D. Commanding. Educational institute run by public sector in Pakistan are. Correct option A, 69%. The responsibility of head include. Correct option D, all of them. Who is the father of operational management theory? Correct option B, Henry Fayol. Coordinating, stimulating, and directing the growth of teacher is the purpose of. Correct option C, inspection. Staff members must also feel free to give their supervisor honest, direct feedback. Dash is key in developing this trust. Joint effort. In administration and supervision, the ICT tool email is best used to record keeping. In which families of instruction teachers can change according to current situation? Correct option D, teaching method. Supervisor must maintain a dash attitude among their staff member. Correct option C, neutral. Micro planning is done in. Correct option D, middle and lower management. The purpose of evaluation is to make judgment about educational. Correct option D, quality. Staff development means. Correct option B, training staff. Main purpose of supervision of teaching is. Correct option D, betterment of student welfare. The integration process is essential achieving goal of. Correct option A, administration. The elementary school teachers are directly responsible to the. Correct option A, headmaster. The laissez-faire administration is based on. Correct option B, mutual sharing. All are function of Alfred quotient theory of supervision expect. Correct option D. Problems of workload. Purpose of supervision is to. Correct option B. Support learners learning. I hope this video is helpful for you. Subscribe for more information. Thank you.